Hey guys, welcome to PapersOwl channel. My name is Julia, and in this video we'll consider the difference between research paper and essay. What is an essay? The most common assignment in school and college is to write an essay, but what is it really? An essay is a form of writing that allows students to demonstrate their comprehension, cohesion, and critical thinking skills about a certain topic. Narrative essay. This type focuses on the plot and allows students to use different writing resources, such as flashbacks, flash-forward, and other creative additions that add depth to the story. Descriptive essay. As the name states, this form of essay focuses on the details of a story, enhancing information to satisfy readers' emotions and intellectual senses. Comparison essay. This kind of writing article has two or more central points that are broken down and compared through the extension of the piece. Academic essay. Perhaps the most known form of an essay is the academic essay, in which students are challenged to show their competitive writing and analyzing skills, along with exceptional use of grammar and proper literature review. Argumentative essay. Argumentative essays require students to argue for a certain position and explain why they support it, providing evidence and relevant information that can convince readers they have proper reasons to back up that cause. Philosophical essay. This last form of essay writing implies students write about a point and use rational arguments to back up their thoughts and opinion. A common confusion among the writing assignments proposed in school and college is mistaking an essay for a research paper. And although they are similar, they play different roles in presenting information in the situations when they are required. The difference between an essay and a research paper revolves around the approaches used as well as adhering to the requirements provided, such as length, format, and citing. Here is a useful template that can be modified and filled out to comply with the professor's requirement. Another difference between essay and research paper is this first part of the piece, in which students are required to dedicate a page to address the title chosen for the paper, as well as to write their contact details, usually their full name, email address, and class they attend. Abstract. Abstract works as a summary of the paper, highlighting key points and relevant information explained in the piece. Introduction. Introduce the topic and why it is relevant to be talked about. This part should be very entertaining and attention grabber for readers. Background. After the introduction, the writer should include proper background information or the literary review that readers can use to know the topic better before diving into the complex details of the research. Body. The body of a research paper can be divided into as many paragraphs as needed, with the length requirements properly in mind, meaning that if a professor asked for a 5-page research paper, students can decide how to structure their piece accordingly. Conclusion. A summary of the research paper, concluding with the results obtained as well as a literature recommendation for readers to keep investigating the topic explained. Acknowledgements. Most research papers have this part to thank people for their support and contribution to the piece written. References. In this part, all of the information used should be properly mentioned according to the format required: MLA, Harvard, APA, etc. The essay versus research paper confusion can be easily addressed in the following table, in which 10 key points of difference are explained to put an end to the ancient struggle between the two forms of writing. An essay is shorter than a research paper, usually 5 paragraphs. A research paper is commonly required to reach at least 8 pages, depending on the assignment. Essays showcase a student's opinion and points of view, which can be backed up by several sources. Research articles present other people's stand on a topic, generally a scientist or recognized organization. In-depth research is not generally required for this writing service. Like the name states, an analytical research paper requires a wide understanding and investigation of a certain topic. Essay's main point is to prove a student's writing skills and capabilities. Research papers focus on a deep analysis of a matter. Depending on the type of essay, students might need or not be familiar with the topic chosen. Students writing a research paper will always need a level of understanding of the topic and sources chosen. Essays can expose a writer's opinion if wanted. Writers should abstain from personal opinions and stay in line with facts only. Students can play around with the structure and perception of the papers in some cases. There is a non-negotiable structure that must be followed and closed with a proper conclusion. There are different types of essays: narrative, descriptive, comparison, academic, philosophical, argumentative, etc. Types of research papers: cause and effect, analytical, subject-based, etc. Typically, essays have 5 parts: introduction, 3 body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Has a bigger structure, including a title page, abstract, introduction, body, conclusion, acknowledgments, and references. Essays are not tied to a specific methodology required for their writing. Research papers do require a specific methodology carried out throughout the paper. Generally, both types of assignment require different skills and complexity of research. Essays are shorter and aim at presenting the writer's opinion with supporting arguments. Research papers are more complex and require a deep study on the matter and presentation of other scientists' opinions, as well as the writer's conclusion. Thanks for watching! More information you can find on video description. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. See you soon. Bye-bye!